Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. A number of Jamaicans are now opting for contact lenses instead of the traditional glasses, but one local ophthalmologist says it is not for everyone. Shamela Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Contacts are a thin, clear plastic lens placed directly on the surface of the eyes. They're usually prescribed by an eye care professional.
It's used to do exactly what prescription glasses will do. It is primarily an optical device, but sometimes we actually use it to treat certain diseases of the eye, such as corneal ulcers. If you get a significant scratch on the eye and blinking becomes uncomfortable, we actually use it to help to deliver antibiotics and other medications on the front of the eye.
Contact lenses are a good alternative to wearing glasses, but while most persons are gravitating towards them, they're not for everyone.
There are indications and then there are contraindications for contact lenses. If you have severe dry eyes, there may be an issue because the contact lens actually has to float on your tear film. It doesn't stick onto the front of the eye. So persons who have severe dry eyes, we usually do not like giving contact lenses. Persons who have problems with their eyelids and therefore are at an increased chance of infection, we will either try to clean up the eyelids and then try the contact lenses, but most times it's not recommended.
Wearing contact lenses too often can, however, increase one's risk of an eye infection.
First of all, you must wash your hands. You must remove the contact lens from either the blister pack or the contact lens case that you had it in where it was getting cleaned. It should be rinsed before you put it in the eye. You should inspect the lens to make sure that there is no tear or scratch on the surface. You also have to inspect your eye before you put it in to make sure that the eyelids are clean. Once it is in, you leave the lens in for a little while to ensure that it's settled.
It is recommended that one should remove the contact lenses if experiencing problems like blurry vision. If the discomfort continues, seek the help of an eye care professional. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.